Hey there!
Let's dive into the magical world of math sequences: linear, triangular, Fibonacci, and quadratic. They're everywhere, from counting steps to patterns in nature. Let's make numbers fun. A linear sequence is super simple. It grows by adding the same number every time. Imagine you save 50 Indian rupees every day. After 7 days, you'll have 350 Indian rupees. That's linear growth. Triangular sequences form triangles. Picture stacking oranges. 1 on top, 2 below, then 3. Add them up. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. That's a triangular number. The Fibonacci sequence is nature's favorite. Start with 0 and 1, then add the last two numbers. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. Look at a sunflower. It's Fibonacci. Quadratic sequences grow faster. Imagine rows of chairs. 1 chair in the first row, 4 in the second, 9 in the third. These numbers 1, 4, 9 are perfect squares.
See?
Sequences are everywhere, from saving money to patterns in nature. Keep exploring, and you'll find math magic all around you. Happy learning!